Ladies, gentlemen, and friends, let's pave the way to the woman of the hour, our keynote speaker, Miss Daisy Rose Laksao Ukulam.
Graduates, please take your seats. Hoy! Naulaw mo sa introduction. Grabe kaayo kay tinaguan naman unta na ako to. Karon na bulkar ng hinuon. Wala gid ay ka nang matago nga kaayuhan. So, kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. Dr. Jose Rizal P. said, "The youth is the hope of our nation." Ikaw, kayo ang pag-asa ng bayan. Students having grades of 75 is also a future to our country. Si Duterte na ay 75. Pero ang ka-question lang karon, dili mo si Duterte. So mag-study. A life without dream is not worth living at all. So dream and dream and dream. Not only for yourself and your family, but also to our beloved Philippines. Because tayo ay Pilipino. And parents, teachers, these kids need our support, love, and guidance. As Kationa said, we ought to our children to believe in them. I hope you have good memories to remember when you look back to your elementary years. Kaya when I was in grade 2, nagdakpanay sa akong mga classmates. Sa among pagdakpanay, ambot, kay naabot mi dito sa Basakan. Naabot mi dito sa may irigasyon. Ug sa dihang sa kadaghan namong gadakpanay sa akong mga classmates, ako pa jud ang nahulog sa irigasyon. Murag ako jud. No? So, ang ako ang point diri is there is a life other than studying. So enjoy your life being as a student. And to those students who tried their best and yet did not reach the required grade to become an academic awardee, it's okay. Kaya again, si Duterte na ay 75. And the fact that you gave your best is already rewarding. And it's not too late. Because you can excel in high school and in college. And what you are today is because of your friends, teachers, and families. Bring with you all the good memories, learnings, and friendship. In your high school, choose friends that are good influence. Kaya ug magsigi ka kuyog-kuyog atong absinot, agoy maabsinot pud ka. Unya pag-asa ng bayan baya mo. And be a good example to those who are not. So kung nakay amiga nga sige ka zero, ayaw pasunan. tudloin. And say thank you to everyone who made your elementary worthwhile, especially to your parents who sacrificed a lot for you to have a good education. Mapukaw na lang ta